章章，舊址及邊嘅燈號亮着，請閣下停止吸煙，直至進入機場大廈吸煙區為止，多謝。
呢個葵涌。
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Hong Kong's Kai Tak Airport. The local time here is 5:35, and the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. There will be enough time for you to get your belongings together before the doors open, so for your own safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has reached the gate. The seatbelt signs will then be turned off. When gathering your belongings together, please be sure to check your seat pockets, so when opening the overhead lockers, please be careful of items which could fall out and cause injury. Also have your passports and immigration forms ready to authorities here at Hong Kong. As most of the crew are required to remain seated, we do have to keep all exits and aisles clear. Any articles stowed for you by the cabin crew will be returned as soon as the aircraft has stopped at the terminal building. Just a reminder for those wishing to make a contribution to the Healthcare Foundation Aid at Turning Point, we'll be collecting any donation envelopes at the door as you disembark. Ladies and gentlemen, till we see you again, a very good evening to you all. Thank you.
在嚟下飛，各位抵達香港啟德機場，當地時間係12月2日星期五嘅下午5時40分，氣温係攝氏25度。喺開機門之前，我哋有充足嘅時間俾閣下收拾行李，所以為咗閣下安全起見，請仍將安全帶扣緊，直至得到熄滅為止。提醒大家，當閣下離開機艙時，唔好忘記攜帶全部手提行李。另外，請準備好護照及入境表格，以方便機場有關人員檢查。各位交俾空中服務人員擺放嘅行李會喺飛機離地之後交翻俾大家。提醒慈善捐款嘅旅客，空中服務人員